Here's Dr. Delaine Felicitas.
Thank you, Coach Bernie, for the introduction. As always, this is our face-to-face collaboration. Kasi we've been doing Coach Bernie, Ma'am Gemma, and Sir Winston. They're the leaders here in Manila that we have coordinated to do information drive, to start the information drive on this company, on this product. Nag-start kami ng online, and then now this is the first face-to-face na presentation of this endeavor, of this movement. So, congratulations po sa inyo in advance, kasi nandito mo kayong lahat. Salamat po sa pagpapaunlak nyo sa invitasyon na even though today is your family day, we appreciate your presence and hindi po namin sasayangin ang oras ninyo. Kasi gusto po namin na at least from us, galing po sa amin, maintindihan nyo kung ano po yung gusto namin mangyari come 2026. So ready na ba kayo?
Yes!
Okay, so like what we said, for sure yung iba dito kilala ko kung saan ko gawin. Okay, I'm here as a representative of the company that we are going to represent in the future. Hopefully, makasama namin kayo. Yes na yan. Mag-Gemma, nakalista sila. Yan. So, ang pangalan ng company natin ay LifeMax Global. Familiar na po kayo doon. Alam niyo na. LifeMax. Baka mamaya sinabi, ibang company, nandito kayo. Okay, LifeMax Global. So, bakit po ganun yung pangalan natin? Okay, dito lang. We and my husband co-own this company, collaborated with our kapitan, Sir Gerson and Ma'am Carol, to conceptualize this movement that we're going to execute come 2026. But we have already started executing tidbits of it. Kasi nga, yung ating roadmap medyo na-accelerate ng onte. Kasi, na-excite ang mga tao. So, LifeMax Global. Bakit LifeMax Global? Number one, buhay ang tinawag ang gusto natin ma-improve. Bakit max? Kasi gusto natin ma-maximize pala yung ating income, number one, for sure, aggregate. Number two, ma-maximize din yung quality of life bukod sa we are earning, we want to earn, we want to also enjoy. Okay? Life while we are earning. Okay. Number three, bakit po global? We are ready to rock the international world. So, pag pumasok kayo dito, hindi lang we have plans, we already are planning on promoting this internationally. We are ready with the product and the documents and everything. So, salamat po sa ninyo pag-umpisa sa amin. So, LifeMax Global, ang gusto po niyang mangyari, gusto namin pong mangyari is the product that we are going to launch will be available in each household, Filipino household. Okay? Each Filipino household. Imagine ilang Filipino families ang nandito sa Pilipinas. More than what? 8 million. Tama ba? 8 to 10 million. So kung lahat sila mayroong LifeMax product, imagine ninyo, ang matutulungan natin, makasama natin sa quality of life at hindi lang passive income. Hindi na passive income ngayon, generational wealth. Ano ibig sabihin ng generational wealth? We are preparing the next generations. Yung ipapamana natin na magandang buhay at magandang source of income. Kasi tuturuan din natin sila. Hindi lang pag-improve ng health, tuturuan natin sila mag-improve ng life. Okay? For this company, we're planning to launch 3 products. Okay? We have the first product that target users of the first product kasi inclusive po tayo. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng inclusive? Lahat gusto natin makaranas ng magandang income, makaranas ng magandang health. So we want everybody to, we want an inclusive experience. Parang ngayon, sa government, inclusive, di ba? Hindi lang yung normal, dapat pati yung mga may challenges, dapat sinasama, di ba? Sabi atin din gusto rin natin na gano'n. So yung first product natin, kung narinig niyo po yung kanta kanina, from 5 years old to 99. So yung first product na ilo-launch natin is good for 5 years old, may 5 years old na po sila, 5 years old hanggang 99, senior citizen. Okay. Para siyang general holistic wellness support. Okay, that's the first product. The second product, our target, syempre dahil ano na tayo ng 5 to 99, regardless kung may sakit o wala, basta 5, nandoon sa age range na yun, whether babae, lalaki, or others, okay, kasama siya doon. Yung pangalawa nating product, hopefully mailabas natin, no? Baka ma-excite ka. Hindi ko alam pa yung first product. Okay. Pangalawang product is life repair. Okay, ang target natin dyan, lahat ng may chronic disease. Because Philippines is ranked among the countries with a lot of chronic diseases. Right? So, bigyan natin ng solusyon. Tulungan natin makahanap ng solusyon ang Pilipinas. So, yan ang pangalawang product natin. So, lahat ng kakilala yung may chronic disease, maraming sakit-sakit, maraming maintenance, nag-chemo, okay? Radiation therapy, pwede po itong formulation natin na pangalawa. Okay? Yung pangatlo naman, syempre gusto rin natin habang tayo ay nabubuhay pa rin, nag-take ng maayos na supplement, health support, gusto rin natin na ma-decrease yung acceleration ng aging. Familiar po ba kayo sa aging? Pagtanda, proseso ng pagtanda. Okay? Noong unang panahon, ang pagtanda ay hindi proseso. Okay? Inaantay na stage. Nakuha niyo po yun. Ngayon, ngayong panahon ngayon, ang pagtanda, hindi mo na inaantay kung saan na siya. Di ba po? Yung 20 years old, mukha ng 40. Kasi yung loob na cells and tissue masyado ng tanda. So meron tayong formulate na wellness product na may stem cells, may rejuvenation. So that's why we call the third product as Life Young. Okay, so una is Life Protect, ayan yung kanina, which we will be launching hopefully Q1. Ano dyan na siya, okay? And then Life Repair, and then Life Young. Okay, so ano po ba ito? Para maintindihan nyo ano yan siya. Okay. Our company is Lifebox Global. The first product is known as Life Protect. Diba? Ano bang magkakaintindi nyo pag sinabi yung Life Protect?
Protection sa...
Ano yung sabihin ng protection? Oh, yun. Nice. Prevention. Yan. Security. Yan. Ibig sabihin, ang product na ito, ang nilalaman niya is talagang prevention, ang secure ninyo na hindi kayo kailanman magkakaroon ng OA na immune system para sa sakit na pwede nyo maranasan. Katulad nung nangyari ng COVID na ang daming lumabas na complications. So, ang Life Protect, gusto natin na maging next frontier in holistic health for Filipinos. Ano ibig sabihin ng frontier? Malayo ang mararating ng Life Protect. Tandaan nyo, hindi lang Filipino ang gusto natin. Pati international. Pati mga Filipino sa international world and hopefully other countries too. So, bakit itong revolutionary formula will redefine wellness in the Philippines by 2026? Okay. 70% of chronic diseases in the Philippines such as, hindi lang ito ha, ito yung mga namumuna, diabetes, heart disease, and even cognitive decline. Ano yung po yung cognitive decline? Yung sakit po sa brain. Okay? Understanding, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, anything na naapektuhan ng brain and spinal cord, ito po yan. Sabi po doon sa pag-aaral, pwede siya ma-prevent. Okay? Or, kung natuon ka na, meron ka na, i-manage mo na lang, pero ang kailangan mo, right nutrition. So, ang tanong, kumakain ba tayo ng tamang nutrition? Kailangan natin ng guidance, di ba? Kasi hindi natin alam minsan kung mali. So, and of course, meron tayong tinatawag na silent crisis. So, nalaman niyo yan, mamaya, kung ano tong mga to, hindi niyo yan kasi napapansin, pero nandyan na siya, existing na siya. Okay.